To make the lantern, I'm taking the chart and marking it at 14.5 centimeters. That's how much I will be cutting from this chart, and that's how much longer and thicker I would need the lantern to look on the top and the bottom portion. So by doing the marking and drawing the line, it becomes easier to cut. That's why I have marked those dots and done the cutting. Now next I am going to attach pink color small paper rolls on that cut sheet. So this pink color, I'm first going to cut it into a square and then into quarters, and those quarters again into quarters. So I'm going to put a dot and attach the corners together, and I'll have this kind of shape formed. I'll show you again. On one of the small squares, put a dot of the glue on one corner, take it over the other corner on top and join it. And once I have done that, all those are ready, and you need to paste them over that cut portion of chart paper, which is 14.5 centimeters. Stick these curls that you or rolls that you have formed on that piece one by one. This will take some time, so you'll have to be patient. Once it's ready, this is how it actually looks. Now for the middle portion of the lantern, I'll be making use of a little bigger size. So here I'm going to take 20.5 centimeters chart cutout, the similar length of what the blue one was, and on top of this I will be adding blue color rolls. Now to make your lanterns attractive, remember that you all have to highlight the colors that you all use. So based on that, your colors selection will make the lantern look beautiful. So in this part where I'm attaching those rolls, I'm just going to cut it into square and then quarters, not smaller size, the bigger quarters. And once I have my quarter bit ready, I will do the same process, put a dot of glue a little more on the corner and stick it over the other corner. Similarly, I'll make a few of such rolls and attach it on the pink cutout portion of the chart like this. So again, once you have done all these, ensure that you have stuck them well, because if not, they will tend to fall off. So give it some time and stick it well. Thereafter I will show you how the placement of the lantern is going to be. So the top and the bottom portion of the lantern will have the pink color rolls and the middle portion the blue color rolls. Now comes the point where we have to stick the top and bottom portion to the middle portion. So for that I would suggest that you all will take Fevipon. Now here I am attaching a topper on the joints of these rolls to make it beautiful. That is your choice if you all want or not. Now is the process where I'm going to stick the bottom portion as well as the top portion of the lantern. I will be adding colorful tape on that joint portion just to enhance the beauty of the lantern, so that you know it's not visible that it's stuck on that place. Once I am done with this process, it's time to join the ends of the lantern to form the full circle. So here I have used double-sided tape, which is advisable because it's easier, it gets stuck fast and you don't have much of an hassle. Take a help of someone else if required, because this will be too big for you to handle it single-handed. So this is how the lantern looks On the top side, if you see, I've put a foam glitter sheet just to make it look beautiful. You all can use any color. Just see that you all cut out that much of portion and fold a little bit towards the inner side. Now on the bottom portion, I'll be hanging pink linings. So you'll have to cut them into smaller strips and place them on the bottom portion of the lantern. I've added tiny star stickers also on the hanging portion. This is how the final look of the lantern looks. Isn't it cute? Do let me know in the comments section. And for more hacks, do not forget to subscribe to How Hacks.